Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I will show you how you can easily hide your all type of information which you want to hide from the others. After seeing this video you can easily hide your all type of information which you want to hide. So let's start video without wasting times. Firstly open the Facebook. After that click on the three dotted on the top right. After that click on setting and privacy. After that click on setting. After that click on privacy checkup. In this page you can who can see what you share, click on it and then click on continue. In this page you are seeing that these are important information of yours which you want. If you want to hide from the others, after setting you can easily hide from the others. If you want to hide your Gmail, then if you click on only me, then no one can see your Gmail. If you click on public, then your Gmail ID will be shown to the public. If you click on friends, then your Gmail ID will be shown to the friends. I am selecting only me. After that your date of birth, if you want to hide your date of birth from anyone's, you can select only me, or if you want to show to your friends, then click on friends. If you want to show to the public, then click on public. And after that years of your born, if you want to hide from anyone's, then click on only me, or if you want to show your year of born to friends, then click on friends. Same your hometown, if you want to show to others, like if you click on public, then your hometown will be seen to the public. If you click on the friends, then your hometown will be seen on the friends. After that current city, similarly after this setting, if you will click on public, then your current city will be seen to the public. Or if you want to see hide anyone, if you will select on only me, then your current city will be see only you, not anyone. After that who can see your friend list on your profile. Sometimes we want to hide our friend list from any others. By this setting you can hide your friend list from anyone. If you select only me, then no one can see your friend list. Or if click on the public, then all the public can see your friend list which approach to your profile. Then if you click on friends, then only friends can see your friend list. Or if there is a specific options, specific friends. If you want to show your friend list from only specific friends, then by selecting those friends by those friends which you have selected, only those friends will see your friend list. After that who can see people page and list you have followed. Sometimes we have followed or liked some page, or if we want to hide those liked page, then click on only me, then no one can see which page you have liked. After clicking on public friends, which according to your wish which you want to show, then by selecting only me, then only me can see my page, no one can see it. After click on next, you will see that who can approach your post. Then if you will select on friends, then your post will be seen to only friends. If you click on the public, then your post will be seen to the public. After that sometimes we upload our stories to the Facebook, then we want to select who can see our stories. If we click on the public, then only public can see our stories. If we select on friends, then only friends can see our stories. After clicking the next, we can see here the option reel default audience. Who can see our reels, feeds, video or other across Facebook. If after clicking this, you can select according to your wish. After clicking the next, here is some important options. Post on your profile. Sometimes anyone can post in our profiles, and we do not want anyone can post our profile. After selecting it, we can easily select who can post in our profile. After clicking the only me, no one can post in our profile, and our post will be seen in our profile. After clicking on everyone, if you click on everyone, then it's mean that everyone can post on your profile. If you click on friends of friends, then anyone can, and then friends and their friends can post on your profile. If you select on friends, then only friends can post on your profile. And if you will select specific friends, only some specific friends can post on your profile post. Here you can select those friends which post on your profile. After clicking next, you will see that who can tag on your profile. After clicking this, sometime anyone can tag in the post. After clicking this, no one can tag in any post, any video. So in this video I have showed how you can easily hide your all type of information from the others. Sometimes we want to hide our Gmail, date of birth, home city, current home city, or any information which you want to hide. You can easily hide by after seeing this video. I hope this video is very helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then please like it and subscribe our YouTube channel.